been a real pleasure to meet Alex today. He's been shoeing 22, 23 years, doing a nice job. It's, yeah, and it's always tough for shoers to work together. We have opinions, but his whole philosophy is put these feet under a horse, don't let him get way out in front, and he's doing a nice job of shoeing. I think every horseshoer in America really needs to have better shoes that give pressure relief, and it'll solve a lot of problems that we often thought were ours. One thing that happens to a shoer is we trim that foot, put shoes on, and then maybe he's a little bit ouchy. He's probably not ouchy. He wouldn't be ouchy because of the way Alex is trimming, but if there's a little stinginess, it's because that shoe is not moving with the hoof in a natural way. So the sooner we get a high-tech shoe to match what we know we can do, because the thing about Alex, he rides a horse. And because he's a horseman and he rides, he's been really easy to figure out. He doesn't want to ride those stumbly horses. He doesn't like high heels, doesn't like toes too far forward, and he's doing a really nice job of shoeing. It's been a fun day. Thank you for your time in Norco, California.